What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make $14 per hour with surfing social media sites in 2019. Best of all, you can do this from anywhere in the world. So all you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis. And hit that notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Alright, really nice to get paid actually for just surfing around on social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest and more. That's exactly what we're going to have a look at today. Now keep in mind, you won't get rich with this kind of opportunity. If you're interested in building a real online business and make some serious money online, you should definitely check out the link in my description below here at the end of this video, of course. But first, let's see how we can get paid by surfing around in social media sites. So, the site that we're going to have a look at is actually appen.com. And I'm going to show you can actually get paid for other activities here as well, but we're going to focus on our social media sites. And the way that you're going to get paid here is that you're going to apply for is as a social media evaluator. I did a research on how much you can get paid with this kind of a job here on Appen, and you can see here on Glassdoor they say that you can make on average $14 per hour. So that's how I came up with that you can make, of course, $14. While I have seen actually some claims that you can make $16 and even more, I want to be more realistic, and as I said, this is what I found on my research here. So let's stick with $14, which is pretty good anyway. And if we have a look at the social media evaluator, you can see here, this is what I found about the job description. As a social media evaluator, you will be rewarded for your ability to improve the relevancy of the newsfeed for the leading global social media platform. We offer competitive pay, project prep sessions to ensure your success and ability to work from home. You need to commit to work 4 hours a day, 5 days a week. At least one must be a weekend day. So as I said, it is about Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Those are the sites that we are in anyway daily. So how about getting paid for this also? So basically, if we have a look at what you do is from the main site, you go to find flexible jobs. This is where you arrive. So I'm just going to apply here in the corporate job. You can see here you can start either by searching some job, or you can see actually all the categories, because as I said, they do have more jobs here. But let's keep it, let's say that I am located in Greece here. So I hit the search, what is available, and for now we have two jobs here. First is the one that we're going to have a look at, and we do also have the web search evaluator. This is pretty similar, but you are searching actually in Google or Yahoo or whatever. But let's focus here on the social media evaluator. So at Appen, we work with 8 out of the top 10 global technology companies in the world to improve and optimize their products for users worldwide, including social media platforms, search engines, voice recognition systems, and e-commerce sites. The team that works in over 130 countries and in more than 180 languages. So it's definitely a big company we're talking about here. Now, do you love social media and want to influence how we interact with technology? As a social media evaluator with Appen, you have the opportunity to provide feedback on news feeds, advertisements, and search results. Your ideas has a direct impact on the services and content from social media sites that we use every single day. So how it works basically, just to give you a quick idea, let's say that you are in Facebook and they want you to scroll the news feed and have a look at if you could find, let's say, a particular sponsored ad or if you find it easy to find something in particular about a company, how easy it was to find it, and so on. So that is basically more or less how it works. The same goes for other social media sites like on Instagram. If you do, they might ask you to search for something particular, and when you do that, if you found it easy, what appeared on your news feed, and so on. So that is more or less how this kind of job works. Now, you might fit this role if you're looking for a flexible work opportunity where you contribute to pure projects and grow your skills. You are an active and engaged user on social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. You enjoy working independently and you want to do internet-based work from home. So they are positions, it is part-time, up to 20 hours per week and highly flexible. The usual position requires 1 to 4 hours of work per day, 5 to 7 days a week. Minimum qualifications, I must be of course in Greece since I applied here, access to a computer with a sound card and speakers, or access to a smartphone that is less than 3 years old, internet connection and quiet non-public workspace, good English writing skills, and the ability to work with applications, troubleshoot software, and execute instructions independently. So really simple, and all you have to do is actually just apply for this job online. And you can have a look at the application FAQ as well here if you want to see more in detail for the application there. But you will get an email with the details on how to apply for this job. And as I said, there is more opportunities that you can apply. As we saw earlier here, let's see here, you can see here the corporate jobs. So do not limit yourself on only this job, but you can see there is so many more opportunities here that might be available in your country. Alright, you have it. How to make $14 per hour by surfing social media sites in 2019. Keep in mind, as I said, you won't get rich with this kind of opportunity, so if you're serious about making some real money online and building a real long-term online business, you should definitely check out my link in the description below right here. If you got some value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button. Do not leave yet, because you'll find an end screen where you can see 2 channels to subscribe to. Both are my channels. They are both related to make money online and work from home opportunities. So I highly suggest you to subscribe to both of these channels. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. And you also find another cool video recommendation from one of my videos there. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.